Hi, it's Nat Jardam here from Subpro, doing a market update. So for all you property investors out there, you're probably wondering what's happening in the Australian property market. There's been a lot of different commentators saying different things, and currently what we're seeing is price rises in Melbourne and in Sydney. So a lot of commentators are talking about the affordability crisis that we have at the moment, and what we're seeing is Sydney prices increasing to in excess of $1 million for the median house price, which is almost a 23% increase in the last 12 months. Melbourne has seen similar growths, not to the same extent. We've seen a 10.8% growth in Melbourne, and it's taken the median house price in excess of $660,000. Perth, on the other hand, has had quite a slow last 12 months, where we're seeing prices plateau and in some places decrease. So the statistics that have come in are suggesting that Perth has actually decreased at 1.4%, taking the median house price to $530,000. So what does this mean for us investors? Well, for us investors in Perth, I think it poses great opportunity. It means that we can negotiate a lot better. It also means that our homes are a lot more affordable than other states, which is great. For people who currently have stock in Perth and are thinking, well, what can I do with this stock? It's decreased in value and potentially also decreased in rent, because we're seeing rental yields also decreasing. I urge that you start to be a little bit creative and look at ways in which you can add value to your current portfolio. What we're also seeing from the bank's perspective is a tightening on lending criteria. So 3 of the banks have actually increased their variable rates for investment loans, and that has been Commonwealth Bank, ANZ and Macquarie. And look, many are probably going to follow as well. So if you're an investor, you probably need to be a little bit more savvy, a little bit more up to date with what's happening in the market, and look at ways in which you can add your value to your property. So at Subpro, we're all about creating wealth ourselves rather than being reliant on the market. So value add strategies really come into play right now. So look at how you can add those values. Look at how you can buy under market value. Currently in Perth, we have in excess of 14,000 properties on the market. So it really is a buyer's market. It's a great time to negotiate well, and to make sure that you do get a really good deal. If you want to find out any other details as to how you can purchase well and under market value, contact us at subpro.com.au, and we would love to help you on your property journey.